Well, we have made it to Yesterland farm. This farm is really only open like maybe a couple weekends of the spring and then a couple weekends of the fall, and that's it. So I'm here during the spring during their Bunny Palooza event. But yeah, I love all the Easter decorations. Very nice. I love how the entrance of it says hop on in. And this area just looks really nice. I love this. So apparently this is called Twister Town, I guess. So it looks like pieces of whatever, you know, junk. It looks like a twister came through here, almost like Tennessee Tornado, where all the junk is like sticking out of the roofs and stuff like that. Pretty nice. Oh, and you can have Easter Bunny photos in there. And the mystery machine is down there. I love it, with the Easter Bunny sticking out. They got, looks like a bingo board and the condiment cow. I can't believe they actually have one here. It's my first time seeing one in person. I really like this place. Yesterland Farm, I also love the name. A lot of really old school attractions. The fact that they have 4 roller coasters here is insane. For a like small little park that's only open for like a couple days a year. I love this. This is Santa's runaway sleigh. Oh, it's awesome. Yeah. Here's their cavity creator. So I've seen videos of this. I've seen it where like they have a bunch of kids hang out to the right and they just shoot a bunch of candy at the kids. It looks awesome. There's a really nice, like, chill atmosphere in this park. I love it. So I'm assuming that is where they do the egg hunt. So there are a couple other attractions that are upcharges. I love little cow tractor thing, whatever, that pulls them around, the kids around. That's awesome. I love the theming in the Texasaurus coaster. All these random dinosaurs here. But yeah, this is awesome. I love this. So way off in the distance, we have Fort Yesterland coaster over there. I think that's what it's called. But it is closed right now. I did see it cycling, so hopefully it does reopen, or it does open today. Here's another roller coaster here. I don't remember what this one is called, but it looks janky, just like all the others. And I love it. They have a little train ride over here, a slide ride. Just amazing how like old school this place is. You also have pony rides here. I do believe it is an upcharge, or extra tickets. And I love the theming they put in here. It's like very like rustic, antique theming, but I love it. Man, so this coaster is super janky. The lift hill is extremely slow. It was almost comical. Like, look how slow this lift hill is. Like, it might be the slowest lift hill I've ever been on. Just like, look how slow this thing is. It's so awkward. And it goes around twice, so what's it called? The ride cycle is so slow. Like, it's so long. Because this lift hill is so slow. That jerk is actually pretty scary because you actually feel like you're gonna stall or something like that. I love the name of this area, Pork Chop Downs. So they do have pig races here, which is pretty funny. It looks like it's just half a circle. Okay, so it just goes one like semicircle. That's pretty funny. I love it. It looks like they're racing for maybe that little pig statue thing in the middle as their prize. This is amazing. I love this. Just adorable. So we got vertical vortex, or yeah, I have no idea what that is. Maybe a spinning tunnel. Whatever this is, I don't know. Zombie paintball. And a hayride over here. not to. Thank you. hayride was actually pretty fun. It was kind of off-roading, so it's like when you go downhill, you almost like slide off your seat. It's actually pretty funny. I have to like try to stay on my seat while going downhill because there's no restraint or anything like that. So I was like sliding off. So yeah, that was fun. Also, the hayride apparently is really cool during Christmas time because they have all the lights around, so that's pretty neat. So it looks like they do have a camping ground here, so you have to have a reservation to go camping, which is pretty neat. So I'm climbing up the steps, and this thing is, it's narrow and hilarious. It's like pretty dark too, so my eyes haven't really adjusted. So the silo slide was pretty fun. You don't go too fast, but the problem is there's no side like protection, so your side of your pants is just constantly hitting up against the slide. So I felt a lot of like friction there. But yeah, this really is so adorable. I love it. Oh, also a little heads up about this park. When you come in, well, actually when you buy tickets, it is $10 if you buy them off, or $10 off if you buy them online. But the issue is that out-of-state credit cards do not work on it. So you're going to have to, it only works for in-state. So if you're out of state, you have to go and buy them, the tickets in person. So, you know, and also technically with like the fee and everything, you're going to have to, it ends up being maybe about $5 off or so for the credit card fee, or not the credit card fee, the other fee. But yeah, so if you're out of state, your credit card will not work. Man, this coaster was really rough. It's hilarious because all the padding is on the right side. But yeah, that was actually a lot of fun. I do appreciate the padding. It's basically like pool noodles, but they just wrap leather around it. I love it. Very cool. This was such a great ride. How janky it was. This place has 2 train rides. So there's one right here and a smaller one over there. That's amazing. And there's paintball over there and creepy corn maze over there. But I'm assuming that's only open during the fall. I gotta say the landscaping for this train ride is actually really well done. Like going over this bridge over here. That's awesome. I do wish that I mean it's nitpicky, but I wish the train ride was a little bit longer. Like maybe completely go around the pond instead of this small little circle. But yeah. So here's the paintball area. And here are the targets. I appreciate the moving targets. That's actually pretty awesome. So over here they have apple guns. So basically guns that shoot apples. And here are the targets and all the apples that were used. It's actually pretty funny, the operator for this was eating an apple. Oh, they have a pumpkin Putin over here so you can shoot Putin. I love this. And all the Texas A&M, UT, Ohio. I'm assuming OU is Ohio? I don't know. But yeah, this is actually pretty funny. And a giant old school bus over there. This is pretty cool. All right. Cool. So that was a lot of fun. That was the smallest amount of apples you could shoot. So it's a good amount for like $6. So it was something unique and fun, so pretty neat. Little upcharge. They also have a deal where it includes like extra tokens, and each token's like $5, at least online. So pretty neat. Yeah, and some of the tokens could go towards like feed for the animals, and like shooting paintballs, shooting the apples, and stuff like that. And I think some other stuff, upcharge attractions as well. But yeah, and the pony rides as well. Forgot about that. But yeah, very cool. Oh, they have you could practice your lassoing skills on these little things right here. It's very neat. I have to say, I am getting Paul Bunyan Land vibes from this place over in Minnesota. Definitely Paul Bunyan vibes, just because of the old school attractions and everything here. But yeah, this is amazing. We got a lemur in here. Oh, 2 lemurs. Pretty neat.
These are from the zoo?
Some farm animals over there. And it looks like some baby chicks over there. Super adorable. And we also have some rabbits here. I love this. So we got little pigs here. And the goats that stick their head out of the holes. That's adorable. I love it.
Because nobody else has anything there. Mom didn't. She did. I see. Maybe.
So there's supposed to be meerkats in there, or prairie dogs, but they're gone. Oh, little baby pigs, oh my goodness. So adorable. And more rabbit, wow, a lot of rabbits.
Oh wow, they got
Baby rabbits.
baby.
They have little like bowling ball things that you roll up and try to roll it back to you, I guess. Very interesting. must say I really do like the decorations on the buildings here. They did a good job. Very whimsical. And this is only here for Easter or the springtime. Got some grill items, fries, ice cream, homemade ice cream. Ooh, okay, I gotta try this now. So here's their ice cream. I got it in a cup, and I gotta say, it's bigger than I expected. I think it's homemade, I don't know. Well, that about does it for my time here at Yesterland. A lot of fun park. I enjoyed it more than I expected. The rides are awesome. I was only expecting just to get on the 4 roller coasters and leave, but some of the unique rides made me stay a bit longer. Oh, they have a brick oven pizza here. But yeah, very nice. I enjoyed this park more than expected. Anyway, time to go.